Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup. Today, it is my Boxycharm base box for July. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe down below if you have not yet. There's also a little join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. I'm quickly going to dive in. If you're unfamiliar with the Boxycharm base box, this is a monthly beauty makeup subscription box where you receive 5 full-size products. I do not get any spoilers, so I never know what is in my box. I really feel like with Boxycharm, you get your bang for your buck. I really like Boxycharm, so we're gonna dive in. Right on top, you will always have your little card that will give you pertinent deets about what's in the box. We're not gonna look at that. And then this month's theme is status. Ooh. And in there is my box number for anyone that is interested. So we're gonna put that out of the way. And first thing right on top I see is BFC Whole Lot of Mascara, Tubing Mascara. I've never heard of this. It seems to be more of like an indie brand, which you guys know I really, really love. I'm not going to open this just yet. I have a lot of mascaras open, but I do want to see what the component looks like. Oh, very sleek, very nice. It does feel weighted and feels like good quality. Okay, that is super exciting. I love mascaras a whole lot. Next up is a Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, Condition and Restore. I'm currently using the Goat Milk Cleanser from Kate Somerville, and I'm obsessed with it, so I'm really excited to test this out. If you've tried this, let me know. Next up is a Complex Culture Future So Bright Eyeshadow Palette, 9 shades of mattes and shimmers. And Complex Culture is, I think, like Ipsy's, like their in-house type of brand. And as you know, Ipsy and Boxy are now one and the same. So Ipsy and Boxycharm, just become Ipsycharm, okay? Give us one brand, give us one subscription box across the board, especially if all the products are going to be kind of running over into both boxes, okay? Packaging, really, really beautiful, very sleek, very weighted. And, oh, very pretty. Very kind of romantic, mauve-y neutral. I can't remember whether or not I've tried a Complex Culture palette. I think I have in the past. And I'm going to look because I know that I have one very similar to this, so I want to make sure that it's not that particular palette. Next up is an Alley Oop Stack the Odds Multi-Use Face Stacker. 3 cream shades to play, highlight, blush, and contour. And I got the shade Sassy Pants. That is what the packaging looks like. I've never heard of this. I know Alley Oop does this really cool brush that everybody was talking about at one time. Oh, that is super cute. I used to have a Tarte little thing like this. A lot of Kaja's products are like this as well. Okay. Ooh, very pretty. That is the top shade. It kind of looks like somebody already got into it, which makes me a little nervous. And then we turn it this way, and we have a pinky blush. And then we turn it that way, and we have a bronzer. This is quite light, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my Pay It Forward pile because I do not believe it's even going to show up on my skin tone. But super cute, I really like that, and I do like cream products. And then last but not least in here is the Beauty Crop Cinnamon and Fudge. I don't know if this is, I should have worn my glasses. Yeah, I don't really know. I don't know if it's a lip product. It actually does not say, I don't think. I don't know. I'll look it up. I don't want to open it up. I don't know if it's like a matte eyeshadow crayon. I don't know if it's like a matte eyeshadow and then like a glimmery eyeshadow, or if it's a matte lipstick and a gloss. I will look it up. Most likely also not going to keep this. But I will say that I think that it is a nicely curated box. If you are a makeup heavy lover in your boxes, then you probably would have loved this box if you got it this month because it is very makeup heavy. So we had this product that was makeup, the Alley Oop that was makeup, the Complex Culture palette, and your eyeshadow. That's basically a full face. So I really, really like the box overall. Even though I'm not keeping everything, I think it is a beautifully curated box. And of course, I'm very excited to test this out. So we will talk some deets really quickly. First up, we have our Alley Oop Stack the Odds, a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream blush, bronzer, and highlighter for a complete natural look. The creamy formula is blendable, buildable, and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil for a natural glow. Apply directly with the fingers anytime, anywhere, or with a makeup brush for a more dramatic effect. Travel friendly in a lightweight compact. The cream formula does not break like traditional powder products, and it is $38. Now, if this was in a deeper shade, I'd most likely would keep it because I really do like cream products, and because I travel, I think it would be super convenient. Let me know what you think. Next up is our Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin, and gentle enough for all skin types. This nourishing cream is clinically formulated with moisture-boosting, visible redness-reducing ingredients known to soothe dry, tight skin. Inspired by the relief founder Kate experienced as a child when goat's milk helped alleviate her painful eczema, and that is $76. Ooh, baby. That is very, very pricey. I don't know that I would pay full price for something like this. But that is the beauty of getting Boxycharm and Ipsy, because you can always go into the sales, add-ons, things like that. Let me know what you think. Next is our Complex Culture Beauty Futures So Bright eyeshadow palette. Bring a new outlook with these jewel-inspired shades that will spark a new attitude. The creamy, buildable, matte, and shimmer shades can be worn on their own or layered for endless looks, and that is $32. Next up is our BFC, or Beauty for Certain Whole Lotta Mascara. Volume boosting, lash doubling, insta enhancing. I put on my mascara just to go to the bodega. It's all I need to get a bold look that makes it bang. That's Beauty for Certain, and this is $32. And it says Beauty for Certain at Beauty for Certain, and then this is a new brand at Taboxy. $32, that is really, really pricey. That is like very prestige makeup pricing for mascaras. So yeah, I don't know about that. I think I'll check out their social media. I'm all for, indie brands and stuff, but holy shit, like $32 is a lot for a mascara. Don't know how I feel about it. We'll definitely be testing it out. I will keep you guys updated. Last up is our Beauty Crop Liquid Eyeshadow Duo. Answer my own question. This dual-ended, long-wearing liquid eyeshadow. One side is a creamy velvet pigmented matte formula, and the other is a dazzling liquid glitter formula. They are easy to blend and can be layered, mixed, and matched. A double dose of fun, and that is $18. These just are not... I'd rather work with a palette, or I'd rather just take a single shadow from like JD Glow or Black Moxie and just do one shade across my lid. Beautiful box. I'll put our total right here, what everything was. Let me know what you guys think. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.